Hi everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today is gloriously falling snow outside. Snowing, as the word is, but it's just those beautiful large flakes that are drifting down slowly. It's just a gorgeous day. I thought it'd be a really fun time to sit down and unbox my Ipsy with you guys. I am barefaced with my cat ears because I do like to try the things on that they send me if I can for you. So let's rip it on open. So the bag this month is a clear, well not clear, it's a see-through bag that says Dream on it. Before I get into the contents of the bag, I did have some stuff on the outside, one of which I know was an add-on that I had added on. So this was a foundation sample from Yensa. I have tried this before and I really liked it, so when I saw I could snag another one of these for $3, I jumped on it. Although I totally got the wrong shade. I thought that last time I had light neutral, which is what I got this time. No, last time I think I had fair cool. So this is probably gonna be too dark for me, but I'm still gonna try it out today. If it is too dark, I have things I can mix into it. All right, also on the outside of the bag, I got a couple sheet masks. So last year during my Project Pan, I worked through the majority of my sheet masks. I think I only have 5 or 6 left, which is great. I don't need, a huge stash of sheet masks, so it was very successful last year for me to work through those. So I'm happy to get 2 more. So these are from Speedway. One is a collagen mask and the other one is a hyaluronic acid mask. This one makes me really excited. I love hyaluronic acid, or I should say my skin likes hyaluronic acid. Seems to react very well for me, so I'm happy to have these. And there's another thing on the outside of the bag, and it's a brush. As I have stated before in my unboxings, unbaggings, what have you, I love getting brushes in subscription boxes because I personally really hate going out and buying them myself. I don't know, there's just something about it. I just don't enjoy it. This is from a brand called LaRousse. And a really pretty kind of a soft denim colored handle. I love that. This is the LR005 tapered blending brush. They do tend to send a lot of this type of brush in Ipsy, but that's okay. I do end up using them. And this one isn't as fluffy as a lot of the ones they have sent, and I do prefer smaller brushes. And while I wouldn't call this a small brush, it's still a better size than some of the other ones that they've sent. So I think I will be able to use this one, and it feels nice and soft. Perfect, very, very good. Okay, now to get into the actual contents of the bag. So first, the card. The theme for January was Dream It. New month, new year, and sky's the limit. And then on the back, it has all the products that they are sending in this bag, which I will look here at the end here to see what the cost of everything was. So the first thing I'm seeing is a lip product. This is, interestingly, this is different. They've never put stickers like this at Ipsy before. It must be a new thing that they are doing. This is from Hola Neon. This is their high gloss lacquer in the shade Calo. When I see high gloss lacquer, that makes me a little nervous. I'm haven't been into that formula as much, but this color looks really pretty. So I'm gonna try and get this plastic off. So there it says the brand Hola Neon. I will be trying this on my lips in just a second, but let's swatch it first. It is a pretty color, and I'm happy to report that just upon swatching, it doesn't feel as thick as I thought it might be for a lip lacquer. So that's more promising than I thought it would be. I like that packaging. It's that shiny blue topper. I mean, it's the kind that shows fingerprints, but it's pretty. That is nice. All right. I would like getting full-size lip products in Ipsy. Next, oh, okay. So this is from a brand that I went on their website to look up how to pronounce it, and it's still not clear to me. It's either Oma or Ama, which I hear most people say Oma, so that's what I'm gonna say now, but I'm not positive that's correct. But this is their mascara, their Drama Bomb Mascara. Now, like I said, I usually try everything on, but not when Ipsy sends mascaras, just because I don't like to have a lot of mascaras open at once. And right now I do have 3 open at once. So I'm not gonna open it, but I do wanna show you the packaging. Ooh, another very shiny top, the red and white. This is their Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara. I have actually heard really good things about this. People seem to really like it. So I'm excited to have that in my little backup stash of mascaras that will be coming up at some point this year. What else is in here? Ooh, we've got a little bubble wrapped package, which usually means something like eyeshadow or a blush. Let's see. This is from Catrice. I don't think I've ever seen Catrice in the Ipsy bags before. This is a highlighter in the shade Lumi. So normally I'm not a highlighter person, but if you guys have been watching my videos recently, You've heard me talking about how I don't know what's come over me because now suddenly I want to find a good highlighter. So this is the Luminice highlighter. Ooh, it has a nice little magnetic closure. And that is what it looks like. Ooh, it's pretty. It looks nice and shiny. I am a tad bit worried that it might be too dark for me because that's my problem that I have tried with the few highlighters I have tried. Let's try and blend it out on the back of my hand and see. Oh, it might work. I just blended it out right there. You can kind of see the sheeniness. And I see like a little bit of shimmer, but no glitter. And it does look like it can be built up a bit too. So I will be trying that out today. I am not an expert on like application of highlighter, but I'm willing to learn. Okay, let's try some of these things on. Okay, so I just primed my face in preparation for this Yensa. This is the Skin on Skin BC Foundation BB plus CC plus full coverage foundation plus 8 super blocks essence plus SPF 40 foundation. So it's supposed to have everything in it, and just a little bit of this does go a long way if I remember correctly. So I'm gonna start off with just a little bit, especially since it probably will be a bit too dark. Actually, it doesn't look dark. I'm really surprised. Awesome. It's just like I remember. It is a really nice skin-like foundation. And in real life, it's not as glowy as I look here on the screen. There is something about me and filming in natural light that I don't know, it must be my sunscreen. I always look extremely glowy, and in real life, I'm telling you, I'm not that glowy. So just take this, how it looks here in real life. It is not as glowy, but it's not a matte finish either. But it sets down nice, it doesn't feel tacky. I think it looks really, really nice. I'm so pleased that I got this as an add-on. If I remember correctly, as full price, this stuff isn't that cheap. But it's one of those things that I wouldn't buy full price just because I'm that girl. I don't want to spend much. I don't want to spend full price. But whenever it shows up in Ipsy add-ons, I snag it because I do really like it. And I honestly used like a pea-sized, well, maybe a little bit more than pea-sized amount on the back of my hand, spread it out around my face. And if you wanted more coverage, it can really, really be built up. I just wanted, you know, full coverage is not my jam. So I think that was perfect. All right, I'm gonna hop off camera here, finish the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back to try out this lip product and this highlight. Okay, I'm back to try out this eyeshadow brush that I forgot we should try out. So I'm just gonna be using some of my everyday shadows that I'm working on panning at the moment. This quad over here. I'm gonna start with this shade. This is Speedway from Sydney Grace. And that's the shade I'm gonna be trying out with this brush. Ooh, I feel like it picked up quite a bit. So this is more of a dense brush. Actually, I feel like it blended it out really nice. I like this brush, very nice. All right, I really like this for laying down the crease shade. I'm gonna jump off camera, finish my eye makeup, and be back with the rest of the stuff. All right, I am back with the majority of my makeup done. I just really am itching to try out this lip product from this brand I've never heard of, honestly. Ola Neon. Let me know if you have heard of this brand before. The doe foot is what I would call a classic doe foot, although it does have like that little scoop on the end to hold more product. That's nice, so you don't have to dip back in over and over to get more. Let's try it out here. Ooh, it's a nice color, and it's not goopy. I was really hoping it wouldn't be goopy. Ooh, okay, so when I hear the term lip lacquer, I think of a very thick, opaque, very like high gloss, very shiny formula. This does have nice shine, but it's nice and thin. Not as thin as like the Kaleidos Lip Tonics, but still a thin formula in comparison to other formulas like this that I have tried. Oh, and it's a great color. Okay, I'm very, very pleased. I honestly wasn't that thrilled about adding another full-size lip product to my stash. This is the year I'm trying to use them all up, but this is beautiful and I have completely changed my mind. I feel very happy about that. Okay, let's try out this highlighter. Again, guys, I'm not an expert with highlighters. I generally don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna use this is another brush I got from Ipsy. This is the Moda Pro Glow brush. And I'm just gonna place it over here on my face. And kind of up here on the temples. And then I'm gonna buff it out because I don't want any sort of a line. Now, I don't know if you can see my nose, like in this light, once again, I look glowy anyway. Can you guys see a difference? I feel like I applied more on this side than I did on the other side. I have no idea how this is looking on camera. It might just look shiny to you guys, but definitely for me, there's some shimmer on my face that I don't care for. I don't know how close I can get. I'm gonna try and get close up so you guys can see. Oh, yep, there you can see. See the shimmer there? If that's not what you're after, you wouldn't like this one. But I'm probably gonna end up passing that one along. It's just not my favorite. Apparently I'm very picky. I don't know, but it is pretty. All right, guys, that was everything I wanted to try out. Let's quick look at the prices of these things because I'm interested, especially on this lip product. So this is a full-size lip product, retail $17. These masks are $5 per masks. The LaRousse Beauty Brush, this is a $28 brush. I'm not surprised, I felt like it was a really nice brush. This is the deluxe sample of the Oma mascara. It doesn't really say what the deluxe is worth, but it'll say the full size is $19.50, so it's more of an expensive mascara. And the full size price of the Catrice highlighter is $12, but this is a deluxe sample. I think this is a really good bag, you guys. I'm pretty happy with this. If you get Ipsy, let me know down below what did you get in your bag. They have so many variations, so I enjoy hearing what everyone else gets. And if you did get Ipsy, what did you think of your products? Was it a good month for you? I am very interested in next month's Ipsy. I don't know if you guys have seen the spoilers. I feel like they've been all over Instagram, but Patrick Ta is curating Ipsy's very first Glam Bag X, and I did manage to snag a spot in their launch. So next month I will be unboxing the X bag. So I'm really excited about it. The spoilers look really, really good. So I'm excited about that. Well, I should probably take this off, huh? Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!